The following informational video is intended for dent repair technicians. If you are not the intended audience for such a video, be aware that the verbiage is meant for those with a working knowledge of the trade. Thank you.
I don't know if Peter from VIP is gonna like this, but I would say this is probably one of the first luxury products in the PDR industry. Was it necessary to have a carbon fiber window guard? I don't know. I'll let you be the decision maker on that. But I got this at MTE Vegas, or what, PDR Expo Vegas, and I turn into a giddy little schoolgirl every time I get to use it. I'm working on a lot of high-end vehicles, and the tolerances between the door glass and the door is always very tight. I'm always kind of struggling a little bit to get the window guard in. Haven't had that issue with this guy. The price point on this is a little bit high, and that's why I call it a luxury good. But dude, it's so freaking nice. This felt is great. I've already been using it for a month now, and it's holding up. I've used it every single day for a month, and it's holding up pretty true. No scratches on it, still pretty smooth. If you notice, the felt only goes to here, so it slides in really nice and then stays in there. He's also included a little hole if you're one of the people that likes to attach your window guard to your window wedge. But guys, I don't know, I even called Gene Fetty and I'm like, Gene, did you get that window guard from the new carbon fiber one? He's like, yeah. I'm like, are you like a giddy school? He's like, yeah, I don't know what it is, but I love it. Every time I get it out, I'm just so happy. And it's silly. And like I said, I think it's a luxury good. Do we need this to take the place of our metal or plastic ones? Probably not. But talking to Peter and hearing the story of what he had to go through to make this, I now understand the price point on it. It was not an easy feat to make. And finding someone who'd be willing to make it is another feat in itself. So I just want to give a freaking 4 thumbs up to Peter for making this. It's honestly, it's incredible. I love it. Is it necessary? No, we can get by with what we've been using, but dude, it's freaking incredible. I can't speak highly enough about it. I mean, it's a little bit of flex. It's so good.